Welcome to Go Garage.
Today, I'm turning these aftermarket pillow post panels into a factory-looking finish using a textured paint. Here's everything we are going to use to accomplish that. I will also post all the products I used in the description. Let's begin by cleaning the pillow panels with the recommended soap cleaner and gray Scotch-Brite pad. Next, rinse them off thoroughly with water and dry them completely. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Once dry, I will use a prep cleaner to make sure that there is no wax or grease left on the surface. Then I will dry them again. I hung the pillow panels up so that it's easier to paint all of the sides. Next, I will apply one coat of Adhesion Promoter to help the paint bond properly. Since these pillars are injection molded ABS plastic, they don't require multiple coats of Adhesion Promoter. After that, I will spray on the textured paint from about 16 inches away using light, even passes. I will wait about 10 minutes between each coat and continue until I'm satisfied with the texture. Once I like how it looks, I will wait about 30 minutes before applying the final coat. Now that 30 minutes have passed, I will spray the pillars with the trim black paint for that deep factory style look. And there you have it, a clean, OEM looking, textured pillar panel that blends perfectly and looks like it just came from the factory. This concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.